Meet Samson. Samson is my friend Maddie's ceramic lion, and he normally sits in their room right in front of her desk and guards the doorway. But Maddie left for the weekend, so Courtney and I decided we would take Samson and I would hold him hostage in my room. Because Maddie is absolutely in love with this lion. He's like her child. And every time someone tries to take him, she throws a fit and gets really mad and upset. So we took Samson. And I wrote a ransom note on their whiteboard saying that Samson is in a better place now and he has been renamed Aslan. So I have Samson, and Maddie is coming back today. So we'll see what happens when she finds out Samson's gone, or how long it'll take her to notice too. Because he was wearing a pink tiara, but Courtney and I took the tiara off and just set that where Samson was in their room. So then I didn't take the tiara, I just took the lion. So this is Samson. So since it was a 3-day weekend, pretty much everyone went home because I go to college in a really small town, so there's nothing to do on the weekends anyway. So when it's a 3-day weekend, people go home. But Courtney and I stayed here, and we were one of the few people here. So we ran out of things to do really quickly because not even the food places were open on campus for very long. They would open for like 5 hours in the middle of the day, and that was it. So we got really bored really quickly. So we started searching on Netflix, and we watched a bunch of really weird reality TV shows like Extreme Cheapskates and My Strange Addiction, Bridezillas, and we watched one more. I can't remember what it is. But we were watching all these really weird reality TV shows, and then we watched a couple weird movies like Hansel and Gretel Get Baked, which was about marijuana. And we would sit there and we would be like, why are we watching these? But we wouldn't stop watching them. And then I would realize we're watching these because someone felt the need to make them. Someone looked at the TV universe and thought, this is missing a movie about Hansel and Gretel and marijuana. Okay, I didn't think it was, but if you want to spend your couple $1,000,000 making a movie about Hansel and Gretel and marijuana, go for it. My friends and I decided we're getting an on-campus apartment next year, which is really exciting. No longer living in dorms. So I've started just like apartment shopping. Like, I'm already gonna have a lot of the stuff I need, but it's an unfurnished apartment, except I hope we get kitchen stuff because I don't want to buy a refrigerator. So I've just started like looking at things for apartments. Like my friend Courtney and I were at the dollar store the other day, and we just started like looking at stuff, and we're like, we should put this in our apartment next year, even though it's like 8 months away. But that's really fun. Like, that's kind of a really like adulty step in life, even though it is on campus still, so it's campus run, so it's like we're still technically living on campus. It's a little ways away from campus, so we do have to commute to school every day. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna have an apartment next year. But that's it. I had a really boring weekend, so I have no stories to tell you. So we'll talk to you later.